In senior English, writing well is only half the battle. The other half is understanding why your writing works. That's the job of the reflective statement. It's your chance to pull back the curtain and show an examiner the complex intellectual work behind your creative choices. You're not just describing your story, you're engaging in metacognition, thinking about your own thinking. The goal is to explain the relationship between every choice and its meaning. So you don't just state, "I used sibilants." You explain why, to create a sense of secrecy. In this analysis, you are the world's leading expert. This requires speaking with authority, using academic meta-language. Don't say, "I used short sentences to show he was scared." Instead say, "Through the deliberate application of staccato syntax, I sought to mirror the protagonist's fractured psychological state." You're demonstrating that your best lines weren't happy accidents. They were engineered. Use powerful phrasing. Not "I tried to," but "I deliberately employed." But reflection isn't about bragging. A truly sophisticated writer offers an honest evaluation. They identify where they succeeded, but also where the work might still be thin. Admitting that a certain dialect was challenging doesn't show weakness. It shows you're a developing artist who can view your work objectively, and that critical maturity is precisely what examiners reward. Ultimately, the reflection is the bridge between a creative act and an academic requirement. It proves your story wasn't a fluke. This is the process that turns a talented writer into a sophisticated artist and a critic who truly understands how the machine works.